Hey guys, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson Heritage. This is the gray, black, and denim. It has a lot of really cool accessories. It has the LED turn signals front and rear, custom Harley Davidson floorboards. It's got the sissy bar, custom Harley grips. It's got that nice little bag in the front. It has the smoked out tail light. It's got it all. Beautiful lacking saddlebags. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California. We are open and doing test rides 6 days a week.